And it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bethany Lynn. Thank you guys for tuning in today. So you guys know it's almost Halloween. I'm up for another Halloween look. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make a butterfly today. So you guys, I'm gonna try to be creative, freehand a butterfly for you guys. Like I said in my previous video, I'm on this makeup kick. Why, I don't know, but I am. So yeah, I thought I'd hop on here and show you guys a Halloween look. Another idea that you may want to try out. But before we get into the video, like always, you guys already know the routine. Like, comment, subscribe, share, ring that bell, turn those post notifications on so you guys know what I'm posting for you guys. Alright, so I think we can get ready to get into the video. Okay, so before we get into it, I do want to show you guys what I'm going to be using first. That way you guys know ahead of time. And then we will get into the process of it all, okay? So, this is what I'm using. I don't know, it's called Smine, I guess. I don't know how you say it, but anyway, I got it off of Amazon. It's a paint palette, paint set here. Got different colors in there, some blue, some yellow, purple, some bright colors. So yeah, got that off of Amazon. Also off of Amazon, if I can get it together, these brushes. As you can see, I've already used them. All media brushes off of Amazon as well. Then Color Icon, you guys, Wet n Wild. I don't know, I love Wet n Wild. I like their products. They're reasonable price and they work pretty good. This color is called, I don't know if it's gonna zoom in. It's probably not, but anyway, it's called Pisces. How unique. Happens to be my sign, Pisces. Okay, and then of course the matte face primer, Wet n Wild. And then got the Black Radiance. Or no, not Black Radiance, I'm sorry. Milani color. What am I talking about, you guys? Milani Conceal Perfect. Okay? A 2-in-1. And then have our Falsies Maybelline mascara. And you guys, I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I may use some glitter. Haven't decided yet. I'm gonna see. I'll decide that at the very end. So yeah, that's the things that we're gonna be using. Okay? Alright, let's get it. Okay, so I'm sitting here looking at my palette and I'm like, I don't even know which color to start with. I don't know. I feel like I want to start with something bright maybe. Or I don't know. I was actually looking at this color too, so I'm not sure. But like I said, I'm going to be freehanding it, so I'm just going to be picking out colors as I go, okay? I'm going to start with this color here, you guys. It's a very pretty color. It's almost like a hunter green. I don't know what color you would call it, but it's very pretty. So what I'm going to do is just start with the outline of the shape that I'm going for, the butterfly look. So I'm just going to shape that, and then I will go and start to fill it in as I go, okay? Oh, and you guys, this is kind of tricky, trying to make both sides look even. So yeah, just try your best. So as you guys can see, now that I have my outline done, I'm just going to start filling in the inside here. Okay, so next I feel like I'm going to be using, I feel like I want to use this gold here. And I'm going to go around my eyes with the gold. I'm glad to cover this up, you guys. I've been rubbing my eye, I guess, because I've been doing makeup so much here lately. I'm giving myself a burn, whatever you call it. I don't know what you call it. Rubbing my eyes too much is what you call it. So for the body, you guys, I feel like I want to use this color. I think I'm going to use this burnt brown. I don't know what color that is. You guys, it's got a wide body because I got a wide nose, but that's okay. Okay guys, how's it looking so far? What do you guys think? You guys comment down below and let me know what you think so far. You guys, I don't know. I feel like I want to do this color or this color. I don't know what's next. And we'll just go with the red on this. You guys, I'm feeling like a clown a little bit. I feel like I look like a clown just a little bit. Got distracted, but like I was saying, I really hope that you guys are enjoying these Halloween makeup videos. I know I am, because I'm getting to show my artistic side and creativity side more. Kind of makes me feel like a kid again, back in art class. I always loved art. Art was one of my favorite classes. Next, I'm gonna go with this white. It's like a pearlescent white. You guys, it's kind of hard to see, but yeah, it's like a pearlescent color. So I'm gonna go with that one. Okay. Next, I'm gonna use this color, like a royal blue. It's a pretty blue. I'm gonna use that. And for this half, you guys, I am going to be doing the purple. I believe I want to do purple for that part. Okay guys, so what do you guys think so far? I know it's missing some things. I feel like it's still missing something. Not sure what it is, but I feel like it is missing something. And that helps, you guys. If you just use your finger to wipe it off, it helps give you that blend effect. I'm going to use the black. Okay, so I'm using the glitter, you guys. I decided to use my glitter. Amethyst. And guess what? That's my birthstone, February. What a coincidence. This color, show you guys. Caribbean, however you want to say it. Did you guys know if you do this little shimmy move, whatever you want to call it, where I'm doing like this, that helps, it helps curl them a little bit more, and it also helps lengthen them. I used to just put it on like this, but now I shape every time I put it on. That helps give it some length. I would have put lashes on, but you guys, my eyes water so much putting lashes on, and I didn't want to do that and take the chance of ruining my makeup. So yeah, I skipped the lashes this time. But hey, if you're one that can apply the lashes and do just fine without having your eyes water up, by all means, go for it. Go for it. Because that will just enhance the look even more. And you guys, one other thing, I want to go back and trace out the head just a little bit because you can't really see it. So I want to make it stand out just a little bit more, okay? Alright, I think that's as good as it gets. You guys, look at the sparkle. Look at the shine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys liked it. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and turn those post notifications on for me. Alright, see you guys in the next video. And remember, peace, love, and God bless. Okay, right quick, you guys, I wanted to hop back on here and show you guys what it looks like taking it off. I'm using some Vaseline grease, some knockoff brand. But yeah, put that on your face and you guys, it'll start to come off. It'll come off pretty easily. This is the part that seems like nobody ever shows. So I was like, let me show you guys what it looks like when it's coming off. And I can say this, I can say that the reddish brown, this color that I put in the middle, that is trying to stay on my face. Seems like that one is trying to stain a little bit. But I think once I get my face all cleaned up and get in the shower, all that good stuff, it'll come off. But you see how the rest of this other stuff is coming off just fine. But reds are like that. Reds are just like that, period. Even with hair color, reds are just so, they're just so pigmented. It's just hard color to avoid from dyeing, staining your skin. Okay, guys. So yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to share that information, that little piece of information with you guys, let you guys see what it looks like coming off, because some people have a hard time taking it off. And yeah, that's just a suggestion. Use some grease. It'll help out a lot. All right, see you guys in the next video.